National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Franklin County in southeastern Indiana, Central Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, Northern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Osgood, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Batesville, Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Moores Hill, Guilford, Manchester, Sunman, St. Leon, Holton, Weisburg, Pentown, Interstate 74 at State Route 101, New Marion, Versailles Lake, Otter Village, Lawrenceville, St. Peter, and New Alsace. This includes Interstate 74 in Indiana between mile markers 152 and 161. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.